What's up, design family, and welcome back to another episode of FittDesign TV. We have something a little bit different on this episode. We're essentially going to run you through our new office build. We've been in this current space for 3 years, and moving from our old space into this new space was a big step for us, and now we're taking the natural next step. And I want you guys in on that journey, and hopefully you guys want to be along. So I'll run you guys through the first week of our new build. I have the plan right here that we've been working on. We've designed everything in-house to make sure that the new office matches our current expansion perfectly. And a little bit of a kind of disclaimer, this is an expansion, so we're not moving to a completely new space. Actually, what we're doing is we're taking over the lease of the space next door. That way we can keep the current space that we have and love, and keep growing our team and keep doing what we love to do. So I want to take you guys with us into this new space. Follow me. So here we are. On this side, you can see the current entrance to our original office. And then on the left side, you see what is the entrance to the lease next door, which will be closing up this entrance, and only the main entrance is still the main entrance. But for now, we have it, and this is the access point into the side. So going inside, this is what is going to become our new lobby space. We're going to break down this wall, expand the old lobby, which has the Createch logo on the wall, and move it into here. This wall on the right side will represent the new Createch wall, and on the left side, where we're going to wall up the door, is going to represent our Spectre wall, and we're going to have two pretty cool chairs over here and a little seating area to receive guests and anyone else that can pass by our office. So that's essentially what that space is. This is the lobby space, barring this wall that will be torn down. Behind me, and in this room right here, literally delineated by these green spaces, this is our breakout space. So this is a little bit of a fun, casual space for our team to congregate in. At the moment, we're currently at capacity in our old space, and with COVID and just in general, the team growing and us trying to continue to move forward, we wanted to make sure that we have a space that our company can grow into. And one of the major drawbacks of our current space is there's really no space to, and I'm saying space a lot, but there's really no place to kind of bring down the tempo a little bit. So this is that space. We're going to have a custom build here that is going to house some of our storage spaces and a nice open couch style build right here where people can hang out in. Also right here we'll have much more casual, lower seating space, again, for our team. Up against this wall, we're going to have what is known as our sort of our legacy wall. We'll have a fun little physical, let's just say, illustration of our Instagram feed. As you guys know or may not know, FittDesign was started on Instagram, and it was pretty much just a hobby for me to post on there just pretty much whatever I wanted to post. And this pays homage to that and is a nice reminder of the roots and where we've come and where we want to go. Here, we're going to have a full glass wall that will give us a dedicated photo shoot studio. One thing that we've been lacking at FittDesign is a dedicated photo shoot studio and a place to shoot our podcasts, our videos, and all this amazing content that you guys have come to love. So this is where that is. Up against this wall, we'll have a pretty cool showcase of our Spectre build. So we've custom designed a Spectre build with two pretty cool mannequins, all of our new graphics up on the wall, some racks to showcase our latest designs. So this will be a nice backdrop for our videos in the future. And right up against this wall, we'll have an infinity backdrop, which is a white backdrop, and that will basically be the backdrop for our photo shoots, our videos, and if I want a more standard kind of background for the videos, that's where that's going to be. Taking you guys inside, following me through our hallway. So this is going to be walled off, all with glass, and we're going to have our main two office spaces right down the hall. This is going to be all glass off. So this is the sheetrock ceiling that's going to receive the frame for the glass. You essentially won't be able to walk in here. This entire roofing is going to be covered with sheetrock. We're going to dig into it, and we're going to kind of recess these pretty cool and sleek looking aluminum profiles that are going to give us light into the space. The entrance from here will be right in here, and this will be our office for Team A. I'll give you guys a little bit of a hint later on what Team A might be, but until then, this is where Team A will be working. And as we continue to grow our team, I wanted to have dedicated spaces for each of our teams to work and collaborate and to essentially build up that vibe that we want to build up. Right now in our current space, there's just not enough room to go around, so I want to make sure that we have room to grow into and to keep developing, pushing our team. As you can see, some of the walls are already built up. We've put these into place and we're getting them ready. Our entire office is going to be a mix of concrete, cement blocks, and glass. So very similar aesthetic to the current office that we have. So if you guys want to take a look at that, we've done a more in-depth tour on our channel that I highly recommend you check out. But really, a lot of the aesthetics are going to be shared. We're going to have an L-shaped desk that's going to flank the left and front walls, and that's going to give our team a really nice view out. Right now we have a beautiful view of Beirut. It's a gloomy day, but I pretty much like this weather, so this is where we're currently located. We are in Beirut, Lebanon, if you guys did not know. Moving forward, we'll go into office for Team S. So again, this is going to be a glass wall. The entrance for Office S will be through here, so from the hallway. This will take us into Office S. It's literally sort of a mirror of Team A. And you're going to have a L-shaped desk that flanks the front and left facades. Again, beautiful view, corner view. So this is essentially the polar opposite of my office. On the existing wall, so beyond this wall is where my office is, and this is essentially the polar view opposite of what I have. In here, there's going to be a glass separation between our Office S and our new conference room. So I'm pretty excited to have my conference room back. For the last 4 months, I've had to sacrifice my office or the conference room for our parent company, Createch. But we're gonna have a bigger and better conference room, so watch how that develops. But this is going to be it. This is gonna be the new conference room. We're gonna have a pretty cool, custom-built square cladding on the back with the Createch logo up against the wall. We currently have that on the lobby entrance, but it's a lot smaller. We're doubling that size. And then up here, we're gonna have a full custom build, and we're gonna have a 55-inch TV that's gonna allow us to take on presentations, video meetings, and just this will be the room where we have all of our big meetings and we take those big decisions. So it's exciting. It's a pretty sizable conference room, bigger than our current one. And yeah, I'm excited for the next conference room after this, where we're gonna go. But that's pretty much been it, guys. That's the tour. I'll run a little bit of a B-roll after I'm done with the outro, but you guys will get a sense of the space, and we'll be doing this update week on week. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and hopefully you guys want to kind of still be in the loop. Let us know in the comments below if we should do this weekly, and you guys can see how the build progresses. Until next episode, guys, stay awesome.